A squared plus AB plus B squared equal to 3A plus B is what? A and B are integers. Okay. Now for these types of problem, we multiply first by 4. It will be 4A squared plus 4AB plus 4B squared equal to 3. Then I want to use this identity that x plus y whole squared. We can write it twice, and if we calculate, it will be x squared. Okay, it is x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. So, if we use this, we can say 4a squared plus 4ab plus b squared. We write 4b squared as b squared plus 3b squared. And sorry, when we multiply by 4, 3 will be 12. So it is 12, and then next step. I can say 4a, it's 2a plus b whole squared plus 3b squared equal to 12. And if b is 0, it can be 0. If b is 1, it is 3. If b is 2, it will be 12. If it is 0, it is 12. If it is 3, it is 9. If it is 12, it is 0. So this case is bad because this squared cannot be 12. But this case says what? B is plus minus 1. And 2a plus b is plus minus 3. And if we check, for example, if b is 1, then, so let me write it here. I want to consider AB. If b is 1. If b is 1, then 2a plus 1 is plus minus 3. Then 2a is 2 or negative 4. Then a is 1 or negative 2. So a is 1 or negative 2 when b is 1. And if b is negative 1, then we conclude what? 2a minus 1 equal to plus minus 3. So if you add 1, 2a is 4 or negative 2. Okay, 4 or negative 2. Now let's consider other cases. This one, we conclude from here b is plus minus 2, 2a plus b is 0. So let's consider other cases here. If b is 2, then 2a plus 2 is 0, so a is negative 1. If b is negative 2, then 2a minus 2 is 0. A is 1. Okay? So, we found these. Let me write with another color. We found these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 answers. But the problem says what? Find a plus b. So let's write a plus b. For this case, it is 2. For this case, negative 1. For this case, 3. For this case, negative 3. For this case, 1. For this case, negative 1. So it can be plus minus 1 or... look, we can negate both a and b. So if you reach one answer, 1 and 1 works. 1, negative 1 also. Negative 1, negative 1 should work. So a negative 1, when we consider a negative 1, let's see, or b negative 1. If b is negative 1, then 2a is 4 or negative. Let me check again. 2a. If b is negative 1 plus minus 3, so 2a is 4 or negative 2. So if it will be 2, negative 1. Sorry, here, let's correct. We should divide by 2. 2, negative 1. Okay, so let's correct these two answers. It is 1, it is negative 2. So our answers are plus minus 1, plus minus 2. Okay, we found 4 answers for this problem. If you had questions, send message to our WhatsApp number. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.